In front of me is TECNO Pova 6 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access, password and security. Then tap on face unlock, enter your screen lock and click on enroll face. Following that, wait 5 seconds and choose start. Then keep your face in frame, follow all of the instructions and wait for the device to register your face. When you finished, hit done. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!